Young. My company is Healthy Nation, and our first brand to market is going to be Vida. What problem has plagued parents for generations? Getting kids to eat vegetables. I'm willing to bet everyone has either heard or said the phrase, you can't get up from the table until you eat all your vegetables. This is a pain point in over 80% of homes today. Through our research, out of the 73 million kids in the United States today, only 20% eat enough vegetables. It's a huge problem. Why do we hate vegetables so much? First and foremost, they're nutrient dense. They have phytochemicals, antioxidants that are very bitter. To compound that issue, children have 3 times the bitter receptors that an adult has. This explains why your tastes change as you grow into an adulthood. So when you eat broccoli and your child eats it, it's dramatically different to them and not palatable. So why do we need to eat vegetables? They're nutrient dense, they're low calorie, they have fiber that aids in satiety. The more vegetables we eat, the more unhealthy foods we can't eat, which can help with the obesity issue and blood sugar issues that we see so prevalent in the United States today. What's the solution? Our all-natural, patent-pending bitter blocking agent works first to block the bitterness from vegetables, especially for kids. So that's one part of the solution. The second part is we have to add flavors that are more comfortable for children. When you combine what's comfortable with kids and what fits into their normal habits, and you help this bitter taste go away, then vegetables become a lot more acceptable. Now we did this with having 92% less calories and fat than similar dressings on the market. A typical ranch dressing has 120 calories. We have 14 calories. A typical ranch dressing has saturated fat, multiple fats. Ours has 1 gram of fat. Also, the fat in our product is designed to help aid the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Our business model is retail sales. Kroger, Whole Foods, Walmart, or Target. Currently, at present rates, we can have a 56% margin while still allowing the retailer to have category-leading margins and having a higher profit per square inch, which they're graded upon. We also see opportunities in school systems, restaurants, and in alternative packaging. If you've seen the little cups of ranch that you can pack in a lunch, we will eventually go into those. And then we can sell our bitter blocking agent to non-competing food, beverage, and pharmaceutical companies because our patent-pending product does work across all industries. Sales and marketing, we're going to use core champions in specific markets to help get the message out. But one thing that we found very valuable, there's 967 blogs that cater to parents, nutrition, and children. If we use these blogs to get the message out, it's been proven that these help drive consumer decisions or purchases. We also do mass media, social campaigns, and then we have a 1-year PR campaign to help with the influencers. So think about if you take your kid for a checkup, and your pediatrician says, hey, I have a product that can help your kid eat more vegetables and like them going into adulthood. And then we'll do in-store demonstrations, because at the end of the day, the proof is in the taste. Our competitive landscape, we're the first product that allows a consumer to modify how their vegetables taste. Even if other competitors come to market, statistically in a food product, you'll maintain 69% of the market. Now, when we make market penetration, there's a lot of people that can make dips, but there's one that we would fight against, and that's Marzetti. In every store, they have more facings than every other category, every other product. That's our true competitor, but they don't have our bitter blocking technology, which again is patent pending and nearly irreversible. Our team, myself, I have 14 years of experience in the food industry, ranging from commercialization, quality control, and sales. Heather Young is our Vice President of Research and Development. She has 16 years of product development experience in all categories. Just this past year, she won 2 awards in an international competition for products she developed. Third, Dr. Steve Talcott is our scientific advisor. He has a PhD in food science at Texas A&M. He has validated that our product works and is safe and is FDA approved. And then last but not least, Jared Young. He's our Director of Operations, and he has 4 years in startup experience. Our goal, we're going to secure distribution next month, November, by the 28th. That gets us onto the shelf in March for the new shelf setups. Our first order was shipped in February of 2015. Our year 1 projections are 1.5 million units for a total of 5.5 million in revenue. In summary, Vida is the first product of its kind that can block the bitterness and add flavor to vegetables. Think of us as the Febreze for vegetables. It was the first product that the market blocked the scent and added more desirable scents. Secondly, we're FDA approved, packaging, we're ready to go and launch in 2015. And lastly, who here would like to see this become a national brand? What questions can I answer?